student. Most people expect you to focus only on computers. But in today's world, having multiple skills is the real key to success. In this video, I'm sharing how 4 skills, coding, construction, editing, and cooking, work together to build a stronger and more successful future. Coding trains your digital brain. It teaches problem-solving, creativity, and step-by-step thinking that helps in every other skill. Construction gives you real-world strength, planning, measuring, teamwork, and safety, skills that help you create better and more practical tech solutions. Video editing is how you present your knowledge to the world. Without good editing, your best ideas will not attract viewers or make an impact. And cooking builds discipline, timing, and patience. It teaches you to follow steps, measure correctly, and stay focused, just like coding and construction. When you combine these 4 abilities, you create a powerful personal brand. A student who can code, build, edit, and cook becomes more unique, more skilled, and more prepared for real opportunities. Most students master 1 skill, but mastering 4 can change your life. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more multi-skill tutorials.